Hello friend, my name is Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name AltText.ai. Product description: let AI write your image alter text. Save time and boost your site SEO and accessibility by letting AltText AI automatically create accurate alter text for every image. Automatically generate SEO-friendly brand consistent alter text at scale. Generate alter text in second. Upload an image. Generate alter text in 130 plus languages. Work smart in bulk. Boost your ranking. Stay on brand. Choose the plan that's right for you. 60 days money back guarantee. Plan number 1, license tier 1, $69. License 2, $149. License 3, $329. See that customer are saying. AltText AI. This product video.
When writing blogs and articles, people usually add images to those. This way the articles or the blogs become more engaging, but sometimes people make a big mistake, and that is that they do not add any alt text for those images. So alt text is the short description of what your image is about, and when you add alt text, the chance of ranking better on SEO is going to get way more higher. And also when you add alt text for your images, you will see that your images are going to appear on the image section of your Google search. So that's a pretty big advantage. But there's a big problem in here, that is adding alt text for a lot of images is really difficult. When you already have hundreds of articles, you will find that you already have uploaded over thousands of images on your website, and writing alt text for each of these is going to take a big toll on your time as well as efforts. But don't worry, I have just the right tool to help you for that. So hello guys, welcome back to SES Ltd Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. And also if you are interested in SES lifetime deals and a community where you can discuss those, as well as where you can find attractive giveaways such as this PPO lifetime deal giveaway, you should join SES lifetime deal discussion group. So back to the video, I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review alt text. So alt text is going to automatically generate alt text for images to improve your website SEO and accessibility. And the best part about this tool is that you can bulk generate alt text for images. For example, you have thousands of images on your website and you want to generate alt text for all those images at once. You can use this AltText.ai tool. All you have to do is line up all your images in one CSV file, and then you can upload that file to alt text, and it is going to generate alt text for all of your images. And the great news is alt text is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $90, you only have to pay $19, and this will grant you lifetime access to this tool. And keep in mind that it is a one-time single payment. So if you want to buy AltText.ai on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this tool, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $19, and with this tier you can generate alt text for 150 images every month. The tier 2 costs $69 with 600 images, and the tier 3 costs $199 with 2000 images. So if you have a big website, this tier 3 is going to be super useful. Now if I show you an example of how this works, as you can see, this is an image where children are selling lemonade, and if you provide this image to AltText.ai, it has already generated a alt text. As you can see, a group of children gathered around a lemonade stand. So I have to say this is a pretty accurate result, and the best part is AltText has so many different types of integration options. So for CMS you have WordPress, which means there is a WordPress plugin, and once you install that plugin for your website, that plugin is going to generate alt text for all of the images that are currently staying on your WordPress website. There are also some other CMS such as Contentful, HighGraph. There are even e-commerce integrations such as Shopify, WooCommerce, SEO integrations. There are also custom integrations such as Web Interface and Developer API. So after you log in to AltText.ai, you will get this dashboard, and on here you can generate alt text directly from your browser. You can connect your Shopify app or HighGraph CMS, WordPress plugin, Contentful CMS. So I'm going to show you this in your browser feature. So to start generating alt text for your images, you can either click on this in your browser or you can go to the images library. So as you can see, currently the library is empty, so I have to add images to generate the alt text. So first, let me show you how to generate alt text for one single image. For that, click on this image, and now you can either provide the image URL or you can also upload the file if you have this on your computer. So let's upload a file. So okay, I have already uploaded a file, and then you can choose your asset ID. So this way you can add an unique ID to your image that can be helpful later to identify the image. You can then choose the language. So this language is exactly the language in which your alt text is going to be generated. So this is set to English, but you can also change it if you want. And then you can also check this option if you want to request a human review that is going to enhance and correct alt text. But keep in mind that this is going to cost you 15 credits. So I'm going to uncheck it. And then if your image is an e-commerce image, you can check this option. Then you can add your product name as well as your brand name. And then you can also add SEO keywords. So if you're targeting a particular keyword, you can also add that keyword to alt text. This way you can improve your SEO ranking. So let's uncheck this. I'm not going to add any keyword, and simply click on add image. So back to the image library. As you can see, our image has been uploaded with an unique asset ID, and it was not from URL because I directly uploaded it from my computer. And here is the alt text that we have gotten. So pancakes with berries and a cup of tea. And then you can see the date when it is added. You can also choose some actions, such as you can edit this image or you can delete this image. For editing, you are going to get this asset ID option, as well as you can also edit your alt text. Now I'm going to show you the image. So here is the image that I just uploaded for the alt text, and as you can see, there are multiple pancakes, multiple berries, as well as a cup of tea. And if I have a look at the alt text, you can see there are multiple pancakes, berries, and a cup of tea. So the alt text is very accurate, I have to say. Now let me show you other options, other ways that you can generate alt text for images. Let's go to the image library. Now another method of adding alt text to your images is scraping a page, which means if you have a web page where there are multiple images and you want to generate alt text for all of them, you have to click on the scrap page. Then you have to provide the URL. So I have opened an article from the web from CNET. So as you can see on this page, there are multiple images. So let's scrap all these images. All I have to do is copy the URL of this page and then paste it on this URL box. Now I have to choose the language. I can add SEO keywords if I want, and then I can also check this include images box that is going to process images that already have alt text in the HTML. Now let's start the process by scrap page. So as you can see, the scrapping feature has found 24 images in total. One image is currently processing and 23 images have been skipped. So why are they skipped? Because all of them already have alt text. As you can see, all of them have alt text, so only this one image does not have any alt text. So alt text is currently generating the text for this image. Now let's go to the image library. And as you can see, this is the asset ID, this is the URL, and this is the alt text that this AI has generated from this URL. And if I open this URL, as you can see, this is the URL and this is the text that we have came up with. And if you think there is something wrong with this alt text, you can also request for a human review, which is a great feature. Now let me show you the upload CSV feature, where you can have so many different types of images on a CSV file, and the list could be 500 images or even 1000 images or more than that. All you have to do is upload the CSV file with URLs of images on that file, and AltText is going to generate or bulk generate alt text for all of the images. So let's click on upload CSV. To use this method, you must make sure that you are using the correct CSV template. And great news is AltText.ai already have a Google Sheet template. So if I open this, as you can see, this is the correct template or correct formatting that you should have on your CSV file. Then you should upload all your images or mention the URL on this section. Then you can upload the CSV file to bulk generate. So let's try this one. Let's download this file as CSV. So after downloading the file, let's upload it on here. So I have uploaded it. Now let's click on upload. So as you can see, there are 5 rows being processed. Now let's go to the image library. And as you can see, one image has already gotten its alt text. So let's open this image, and yes, it is 2 horses. So as you can see, 2 black horses standing in a grassy field. So it is a very accurate one. So now all of the other images are also being processed. They are also going to be ready in a minute. So overall, I think AltText.ai is an excellent tool that is going to bulk generate a lot of alt text for all of your images, and the process is very simple. The steps are very easy to understand, and the alt text is super accurate, I have to say that. And if you have any confusion about the alt text, you can also ask for a human review. So that is a great feature that is going to prevent any types of mistakes with the text. So if you want to buy this alt text tool on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. These are some of the features that are
then this product is beautiful feature. Questions, reviews, FAQ. This product link in my description. Thank you.